One of the things I do highly encourage as well is to do your own research. Coming to platforms like today give you a general knowledge of what to carry, what's happening, kind of how administration is holding immigration right now. There's a lot of immigration changes happening on a daily basis. And a lot of the times we take what we hear in the news, we take what we hear in social media and just run with it. And that may not be the case. Sometimes the information might be distorted. Sometimes the information might be misleading. I highly encourage anyone, whether you already have an immigration case opened or will have one open, to reach out to an immigration attorney, have a second opinion, get them to understand your specific situation. Because what I'm giving you today is a general view, but there might be specifics to your case that might not be contemplated. Your criminal history might play a big role. Your legal entries into the United States might play a bigger role. Getting that knowledge from the beginning will be able to better assist you to better prepare should you be detained or arrested at any point in the United States. That would open the doors into something known as your power of attorney. A lot of us are here with our family. You're here with your kids, you're here with your older elderly grandparents, and having a power of attorney can dictate what happens to your accounts, to your houses, to your children, should you be detained and deported. One of the biggest things that we have seen is that if I, as a parent, you get deported, your children do are considered abandoned at that point, which you could get charges for, or not charges, but an investigation open through Child Protective Services. But if you do have that power of attorney where either your older sister, your family member, a close friend is the one assigned to take care of your children, you avoid having more legal issues at that point, and someone can make those decisions for you while you are already detained or if you have already been deported. It's one of the last documents that I would highly encourage you to look into. The power of attorney is something that we in our office can assist you with. You can also talk to a family attorney in that case to be able to dictate more in regards to the children, for how that would be handled on a more legal basis, and how they can maybe even go pick up the children from school. Schools do have a list of authorized persons to be able to take that child out of the school, but if the person you assign doesn't have or is not listed, that power of attorney does grant them an access to the child to be able to protect them, to take them home, to care for them, or to travel. To leave with outside of the country with a child, you have to have permission from the parents. So without having that power of attorney in your hand, you can't even take that child out of the country to the parent without having that documentation.